Hi, my name is Milena Copeland, and I am your new English teacher. Welcome to ESL 302. ESL stands for English as a Second Language, and this is your syllabus. Your class syllabus means the plan for your class. One of the most important things on this syllabus is your ability to contact me, Milena Copeland, and my email address can be seen right here. Copeland_Milena@sac.edu. There are many different ways to contact me listed on the syllabus, but the best way to contact me is via email, and I should get back to you within 48 hours, but usually a lot sooner than that. In addition to my contact information, you will see the course description and all of the fantastic things that we will be learning in this class, including simple conversation skills, communication to communicate survival needs, and to prepare for writing in college, your career, or civic participation. In addition to that, you'll be learning a lot about reading comprehension and writing sentences. Some of the topics that we'll be studying include time management, consumer economics, employment skills, cultural diversity, and much, much more. It's listed right here in case you need some more information about that. This class is free. There's no textbook. We'll be using an app called Canvas. Look for more information in the Canvas shell about how we will be using technology throughout our class, and for more help and information on using Canvas, look out for some of my letters that I'll be sending to you with detailed instructions. Also in the syllabus, we have some important dates listed, our attendance policy, the amount of hours you'll need to study outside of the classroom, and some of our academic policies in addition to accommodation for disabilities. Accommodations means things that we will do to help you, no matter what your abilities are, to access all of our learning materials. If you need any help, if you need services, if you have further questions, there are telephone numbers that you can call listed right here, in addition to the ability to have some Zoom conferences, so that whether you have problems with your vision or problems with hearing or any other problems, you can talk to someone who will help you. Our academic policy is that if you do any work for this class, it should be original just for this class, and no one should be helping you. We also have the student services listed, information about class assignments, course grading, and other important links. I really hope you'll enjoy this class. I know that I will really enjoy getting to know you this semester. So have fun and see you real soon.